baby chosen one with the golden tongue here. Listen, I got a quick message for male chosen ones out there. This message is not for the LTSOs, the less than smart ones, because they will never, and see, nasty means never understand what the hell I'm talking about. Serious. This is a quick message, and that message is, fellas, so if you go to the gym, this is, if I just left the gym, right? And oh my God, it seemed like it was, you remember Cinemax After Dark, fellas? I don't know, I'm gonna show my age off, but listen, back in the day, they used to have little soft cores on Cinemax, feel me? Back in the day when I was a little kid, I used to sneak out, you know what I mean? Sneak and go in the living room, go, you know, turn the volume all the way down, go look and shit. Nowadays, I feel like I'm in one of those movies, but in the gym, feel me? When I see all these women that wearing bra and panties working out and stuff like that. Yo, I came to the conclusion that, fellas, you can't give them no attention, fellas. You cannot give these women no attention. Don't give them any attention, literally. And that goes not even just for the women at the gym, but just women in general. These women have so much free attention that men are giving to them daily, nightly. You get what I'm saying? Globally. You know what I'm saying? Due to all the social medias, feel me? These women right now, they feel like local celebrities. Feel me? So what I'm telling you is to stop paying attention to an investment that will not give you a good ROI, a good return on your investment. Listen to the words. You're paying attention. Your attention is your currency, and that currency is like, bro, that's like the most efficient, no, not efficient, what's the word? That's like a high commodity right now, your attention and your energy, feel me? Especially as a male that has a vision, they want your attention, bro. And that's it. Why do you think they come out the house looking like that, bro? All butt cracks, boobs out, camel toes, like, bruh, I'm trying to run on the treadmill, but yet this girl in front of me come on, man, that's crazy, bro. This is crazy. Fellas, I'm telling you, stop giving your attention to them. Just don't even look, bro. Like, listen, if you're a male out there that could look and has no issues, you could just continue with your stuff, go ahead. You know what I'm saying? Be my guest. But this message is strictly for chosen ones out there who, you know what I'm saying? Maybe you're struggling with lust, or maybe you're struggling finding a relationship or somebody real to even connect with. Bro, don't even look at these what's that word? Don't look at these women who are like superficial. Don't look at these superficial women that's all playing superficial mind games and just superficial stuff like that, man. Feel me? Go to the body, beautify your body, and get right, man. Feel me? And level up. And then guess what? Because that's what I told myself I'm gonna do. I remember I used to chase back in the day, man. I used to be in females' DMs. I used to be texting females, asking females for their number. Man, I had to stop, bro. I really had to cut it out, because I learned that, man, these women sometimes, most women, man, they just wake up waiting to reject, man. They wake up with the goal on their mind to reject as much men as possible. You know what I mean? So after getting rejected a bajillion times, I said, you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? And I suggest you do this too. I said, you know what? I'm gonna fix myself up, right? I'm gonna fix myself up mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally. I'm gonna fix all that. You know what I mean? And then I'm gonna let them approach me. Feel me? I'm gonna be the one that they're in my DMs. Feel me? Then I'm gonna have the choice, the select choice of which one I would like to choose. Feel me? Instead of me choosing somebody, feel me, that I don't even really want to talk to, and I'm not lowering my standards no more. Absolutely not. Feel me? And that's what I suggest you do too, chosen one. Listen, I've been rambling for 5 minutes, so I'm gonna just get up out of here, man. I'll catch you on the next one, man. Listen, if y'all like the message, just hit the like button. It's not hard. You like the character, just subscribe to the channel. You know what I mean? And what was the next one? Oh yeah, hit me in the comment section too, please. I get my life in the comment section, you feel me? Even if you don't want to say nothing, just hit me with a what's up, my boy. Don't be shy, I don't bite. Alright, I'm out of here, man. One love.